I need everyone to take a seat. I graded the exams from last class, and I am extremely disappointed in the scores that you guys got. Excuse me, what did I get? You cannot be serious right now. What? I'm just asking, what did I get? Does it look like I'm in the mood right now? Step outside my class. Shit, tripping. I've been teaching for a long time now. And you're telling me the best score was a 22%? Excuse me, you gave us a history test. The study guide had math questions on it. I'm calling your parents. For what? I'm just saying. Because you think it's okay to speak when I'm speaking. Did I say you can speak? You're angry for no reason. I gotta get out this class before you knock me out. That's crazy.